Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. I'm Adrienne Boswell. Today we're making Asian beef short ribs. You will need an Instant Pot and a Dutch oven. Mix the spices together in a small bowl. Rub the ribs thoroughly with the spice mixture. Let the ribs sit for about 15 minutes. While that's happening, saute off the aromatics in a Dutch oven. We have onion, fresh ginger, garlic, and bell pepper. Brown the vegetables, then add the short ribs. Brown the short ribs on all sides and then put them in your Instant Pot. Mix the liquid ingredients and pour the liquid over the ribs in the Instant Pot. Set the Instant Pot on high for 50 minutes. Let the IP slow release for 10 minutes, then quick release anything left. Mix the sauce ingredients together and set that aside. Put the ribs in the Dutch oven with the sauce and stir until the sauce thickens. Serve the ribs with rice and your favorite vegetables. Enjoy! Ingredient amounts and directions are on the website. Thank you for watching and see you next time on The Good Plate.